It's about 3 weeks since we first came on site to look at the empty building, and since then we've been designing and working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to furnish the building. Equipment and testing will take another week or so, and by the end of the month we'll be ready that if required we could care for patients here. I'm really proud of my colleagues right across the NHS in the North East and North Cumbria for everything that's been achieved in the last 3 weeks to turn an empty building into something that's very close to a hospital that could be opened within a few days for patients. In the same way that all of us are socially distancing so we can play our part in stopping the spread of the coronavirus, what we're doing here is an insurance policy so that we could respond if need be, but our sincere hope is that we won't need to.